Hi everyone! Today we'd like to show how you can bring power of ChatGPT into OneNote via an add-in called AI Perfect Assistant. Our first scenario will be generating accurate meeting minutes. That's a great tool for structuring chaotic notes. Highlight your meeting notes and choose Meeting Minutes Generator tool. Hit Generate with AI. In a click, you get polished and styled meeting notes that can be shared with a team. Next case we'd like to demonstrate would be summarizing long notes. Just highlight the intended text, choose Summarize tool and click Generate with AI. You get several concise variants of your copy that suit for a quick revision or catch-up. The last case for today is brainstorming new ideas. If you're working on a new project plan or need to note some important moments quickly, just input the topic you're working on into AI Perfect Assistant. Choose Brainstorming tool and hit Generate with AI. You'll immediately receive several options of an extended project plan that you can present during a meeting. That's all we wanted to share today. Hopefully, the video was useful and insightful. If you also want to bring ChatGPT functionalities and efficiency right into your OneNote notes, try AI Perfect Assistant today.